So anyone who uses a computer in 2020 knows that SSDs are just way better than hard disk drives. They're faster, more reliable, and are just a better investment to make if you're looking for more storage. Now, while a lot of high-performance machines and gaming laptops already come with at least 128 GB of SSD storage inside them for things like your operating system, any games or softwares that you'd want to run, a lot of laptops don't, which means that if you're stuck with a laptop that only has space for a hard disk and not an SSD, you're in a lot of trouble going forward. In this video, we're going to upgrade our hard disk drive to an SSD and then swap out our CD drive player for a hard disk for additional storage. For the upgrade, you need to get an SSD, obviously. However, we recommend getting at least 480 GB of storage so that you don't run into space problems when you try to install your operating system, games and softwares on the same drive. Next up, you're going to need a caddy for your hard disk, which we'll be replacing with our CD drive. So, here's the stuff I bought. First up, we have our SSD. This is a Kingston 480 gig SSD, works on the standard SATA port, so should be fine according to our users. And then there is the caddy. Again, this is a 9.5 or 9.9 millimeter caddy. It works according to my laptop, so I'll just show you how to measure caddy's size in a bit. But first, let's get these two things out. Okay, this feels really plasticky and light. I did not, I didn't expect it to be this light to hold in your hand. So, like I was saying, we take this, or actually the hard disk in place of the SSD. I haven't got the hard disk out, and all we do is just pop this baby in like that, and we are good to go. Now that we've got the screw out, let's slide out our drive bay, and this is the main drive bay that we're going to replace with our caddy. As you can see, they are quite similar, but to measure the size of the drive bay so that you know which size to buy, just make sure to measure this bit with a scale. So it is 9.9 millimeters for me, and that's the size of the caddy that I bought. So there are a couple of things that we're going to need to change first. So number one thing, you see this hook. We need to take this hook off and put it on our caddy. It has these mounting holes for the hooks that we can use and put them there. So let's get started. Oh, it's also a good time to note that you see this plastic thing on the caddy. You can just take this one out, and we're going to replace it with the one that we have on our drive. So I'm just going to take this out. Let's see. Oh, so the next step is that we need to open up the laptop and make sure that we put the hard disk in here. So I'm back with a cleaner system. As you can see, I removed the fan duct in order to be able to clean the fans and stuff. Here's everything laid out. Here's your Wi-Fi card, the processor, the GPU, the RAM. So now time for the big moment. Just gonna take this SSD and plug it in to the SATA connector, and it should go right in. So that is our SSD attached. I'm totally surprised at the way everything just matches up. I mean, all of these being aftermarket parts, and then they're all coming together in harmony like this. It's actually pretty surprising that a bunch of aftermarket stuff is working this well. So, yep, I've screwed it in. So everything seems to be in place now. And now, when I connect this caddy to my laptop instead of the disk drive, I get my hard disk and I get my SSD both. And that's it. That's all you need to do to upgrade your hard disk drive to an SSD+HDD setup. For the next step on how to transfer your operating system from your hard drive over to your SSD, find the link to our website somewhere here, which will guide you through the rest of the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, press the bell icon, and we'll see you soon.